got the mouth cut out and shaped, sanded down. We cut this out in here so we can make teeth for it. So this is going to fit right up in here, which is what I wanted. So we're just going to cut a couple grooves in here so we can highlight these teeth a little bit. And I'll use this small cutting tool here. See, we got this cut out, so when we paint this, that'll help it stand out a little bit. Then that goes in here. So last thing we want to do is we want to cut our blocks for in here. We need 3 pieces that's going to fit in here that we'll glue together. But we've got everything here pretty well where we want it. So I think that's what we're going to go with, is that right there. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.